threatening me.
I'm not threatening you.
Yes, you are.
I'm not threatening you.
Are asked to
That
move.
parking lot is for customers. I'm a customer of Kroger. I wanted to park there when I'm done to come and get some food. Yeah.
Go around front.
I can't go around the front. Leave my car here. I take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got to turn it on. You got to step back.
I can't stand by. Just go put it down. Put my car down. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. You don't have no right to take my car. You don't have no right to take my car. You don't have no right to take my car. I'm not. I'm gonna steal my car. I'm not gonna let it go. You don't have no right to do that. When you call 911, I'm not gonna go. You don't have no right to do that. Leave my car down. I'm a customer of Kroger. I'm a customer of Kroger. You cussing on me? You cussing on me? You are cussing on me? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Mariama, call the police. Call the police.
Yeah, I'm going to go get home.
Call the police. Go get the police. You don't have no right to do that. I'm a customer of Kroger. I leave my car to go get help my daughter graduate. Yeah. I don't have no right. You say, okay? The pep will come and we will talk. You will tell them where you're taking my car. The sign did not say that. They say customers. They say customers. I'm a customer.
And when I make an announcement, if you don't respond, you are not a customer.
When did you make a response?
Here's the sad part.
You know you tried to steal my car.
Listen.
You know you tried to steal my
Here's
car.
the sad part. Your daughter's in graduation.
Leave my car down.
Your dad in graduation.
Mariama, call the police. Call the police. 911.
He went to get the He went to get the police
Yeah.
for you. Yeah.
Yeah.
The sad part is your daughter's in graduation.
You know what you're doing.
You're not a customer.
I am a customer because I wanted to go get her. I have to get her early. I have to get her because they are fighting there. Yeah. Yeah. You don't have no right to take my car without telling me where you're taking it. That's not right. Know your rights.
Oh, he tried to tell you where he was taking
Know your
it.
rights, Mariama. Know your rights.
This video will call.
You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. He didn't give me a car until he was taking it. Go ahead.
Don't do that to her.
No, Mariama, don't take that car. Leave it there. They wanted to steal my car. They wanted to steal my car. Don't take no car. Don't take no car. Police a ngi ñëw. Lay di nga xam ne police ñëpp la fi nekk. Am naa rek.
You calling us the N-word?
You think we're stupid?
You think
You
the
don't know
N-word's
that.
the right thing to say?
The sign did say customers only. I am a customer of Kroger. And I have the right to go get my stuff in Kroger. Call the police. They know what they did. They wanted to steal my car. We are here on Kroger. Kroger near Broad Street. Broad, near.
You're in the back of Kroger.
Don't move. Stay there. You know what you're doing. You gotta put my car down right here. I'm a customer of Kroger. If they don't want me to shop there, they can tell me. You think you can hurt me? No. It's not gonna work like that. There is no way you can do that. There. Trying to steal my car. Did not give me a card, and now you wanna say what? Go ahead, Mariama, just relax. I parked my car at Kroger, and they said they're gonna tow it. I'm a customer of Kroger. I wanted to go get Mariama safely, bring her where we are. Where?
fine. You're fine. I understand why she's mad and all.
They
but,
want to tow my car. They don't have
you
no
can
right to
only
tow
park
my
at Kroger
car.
if you're
I wanted
shopping
to go to
since you
Kroger
got
and get my
graduation.
food.
We go inside and announce the card if you're in there to come get it. They weren't on the property, so she got towed. He tried to leave. She jumped on the truck. I mean, she's angry. I understand, but
Call the police and they can come over.
okay.
They don't have no right to tow my car. Tell him to come take it out. You know what he did.
Hey.
You
Hey.
know what he did. Don't go right now. Stand there.
Her daughter just told me she's got mental illness.
No, you're right.
Her daughter also just notified my rider that
Yeah. I have no right. No right. Think you can embarrass me in front of my children? No. I know my right. I know. No.
raised doing Encore
No.
license plate 2008-29.
Don't fight. They're never going to leave you alone. Good. They are what they are. Just put it down. You know what you did. Put it down. Put my car down. Put my car down. I'm not going to make no trouble. Customer is for customer. I'm a customer problem. They did not say that. They did not say that. They said, well, as long as you are customer, you have the right to park there. They did not say any minute and how long you gotta be inside the Kroger and come out. I have the right to park there, go get my daughter, come back and shop. You don't have no right to take my car. That lady who worked there, why did you take her car? Why did you take her car? Why did you take her car?
Because she didn't hear her car announced over the intercom. They said,
And she worked there? And she worked there?
and they give the car
Money. Go give them the Let it go. Let it go. Let it go, my God. Just stand there. You don't have no right to do it. No right. Why come you see me, brother? Why come you see me, brother? Let me know what they say. Go on, listen. Go on, listen.
It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. A wonderful day in the neighborhood.
Since when you start that? Oh my goodness. Just leave me alone. Wait until the police come over. You will tell them what you say. What you just said. You cuss on me. You cuss on me. And try to what? Bust my fingers? Try to what? Bust my fingers?
still gonna pay $195. I love it when they talk about rights and don't know what the hell they talking about.
Huh? Huh?
And the crazy part is if she was cool, calm, and collected, they probably would have let her go, but she be acting wild. I love it. I love it.
I'm going to go get some food.
This is going on YouTube.
You know what? That's wrong. That's wrong.
That's wrong. Unfortunately, it's right.
I don't have to listen to you anymore.
The police taking all that, ain't they?
Just stand there. You know what you do. The police will do what you have to do. So you tell what you report. Yes. You're not taking your car, try to steal my car.
Steal my car. Steal my car. For what?
For what?
Nobody need that car, that
That's
Fiat.
shameful. You got shame on you.
Oh, shame on you.
He tried to take it away.
I got to say, this is the first time I've ever been called the N-word. And it feels so good.
Don't fear. If I was failing in here, I was going to report you and put you in.
Shaba.
Yeah. Because you don't have no right to do that. You try to make me fair. You try to make me fair. Everybody was here. Nobody threatened you. Nobody threatened you. Just listen to your sister. She will explain. Shame. You don't even know what you do. That's how you talk out. That's the way you talk out. To steal their belongings. To steal their belongings. Oh, listen to them. When they took your car, go and report them.
Unfortunately, when you call the police, they let you know we have your car and where it's located if you want to come pick it up.
Wasn't going to work like that.
We're by the book. We do everything by the book.
Run away